How to download American Truck Simulator on your PC. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download the American Truck Simulator on your PC. So first thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up any web browser you have and then simply search for Steam and then hit enter. Once you do that, you can open up your Steam application right here, or if you already have the application installed on your device, you can open up the app directly without the browser. I'm just going to be showing you guys using the browser. And on the top right, as you can see, you're going to have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, on the search bar right here, you're going to have to search for American Truck Simulator and click on the first option. Once you do that, you can scroll down to find different versions of the game, and if you want to know more about the game, you can do that as well. You can find about the game right here and all of its descriptions. Scroll up and find the one that you want to add. Here are different bundles of the game as well. So the original game is this one right here. It's right now 75% off, so go ahead and click on Add to Cart. And once you've done that, you can view your cart from here directly. And on your card, if you have other games and don't want to purchase them, you can remove them like this, and you can continue to your payment from here. Simply tap on Continue to Payment, and once that is done, you'll be taken directly to your payment method. Steam here has provided us with various payment methods like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB. So let's say if you continue with your Visa card or MasterCard, you're going to have to enter your card number, all of your card information here like expiration date, your CVV code, and then you are going to have to enter all of this billing information with correct information. After that is done, just click on Continue and you'll be able to make the purchase of the game. Once you have made your purchase, you can go back to your Steam application and head over to your library tab where you can find all of your purchased game and simply install the game from there. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.